Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 434, effective until 2 a.m. Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, DeKalb, Kane, Lasalle, Lee, Marshall, McHenry, Ogle, and Winnebago. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA weather radio, KCC 81 Lockport. Central Illinois, northwestern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, western McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Roscoe to Cherry Valley to near Hillcrest, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Severe thunderstorms will be near Belvedere around 9:50 p.m. Poplar Grove, Kirkland and Timberlane around 9:55 p.m. Sharon and Capron around 10 p.m. Kingston around 10:05 p.m. Harvard and Genoa around 10:10 p.m. Baringo, DeKalb, and Colburn around 10:15 p.m. Hampshire around 10:20 p.m. Woodstock around 10:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Union and Burlington, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 103 and 109, Interstate 88 between mile markers 97 and 98, Interstate 90 between mile markers 37 and 60. This includes Northern Illinois University. These storms are producing wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This is no...
Holy shit! Yes! It's a PDS!